Hello my dear student, I am Sisir Kumar Sau. Today I am going to say lowest common multiples LCM. Let's start the class. First we know the lowest common multiple LCM of two or more given number is the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. That means if you will take some number and its LCM will be lowest common multiple. To find the LCM of two or more given number, we can use any of the following method, and those are common multiple method, then prime factorization method, or common division method. If two numbers are co-prime, then how we find the LCM? The product of two numbers. Now we will take some examples. Suppose 3, 5 are two co-prime number because only one is the common factor among both number. So what will be its LCM? Product of two number. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. If we will take another example, 7, 9. Only one is the common factor among 7, 9. So both number are co-prime. So what will be LCM? 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Then we will take another example. Suppose 10 and 13. What will be LCM of 10, 13? Only one is the common factor, and so these are co-prime numbers. So we can multiply them, and the LCM will be 130. If we take three number and only one is the common factor, suppose 3, 5 and 7. What will be LCM? So here 3, 5, 7 and only one is the common factor. So direct we can find the LCM, multiply, then 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to 105. So in this way, without using this method, we can find the LCM of two or more number if only one is the common factor among all number. Now we know how to find LCM of two given numbers by using common multiple method. For that I have taken two numbers 8 and 12. Now we know how to find. For that first we have to write some multiples of 8 and 12. So multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, Then some multiples of 12. Is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, etc. So here LCM will be which is the lowest common multiple of both number. So it is clear that 24 is the lowest or least common multiple of 80 and 12. So 24 will be LCM of 8 and 12. So in this way, which number is the common multiple of both number, that will be LCM. Now we know how to find multiple LCM of three numbers. So we will take three numbers 6, 8 and 12. So first we have to write some multiples of all number. So multiples of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. Then multiples of 8 will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Then multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, etc. So LCM of three numbers 6, 8 and 12 will be, which is the common multiples of three numbers. So it is clear that 24 is the common multiple of 6, 8 and 12. So LCM will be 24, and which is the lowest common multiple. So in this way we can find the LCM of two or more number by using common multiple method. Now we know how to find lowest common multiple LCM of two given number by using prime factorization method. For that I have taken two numbers 8 and 12. So now we know how to find the LCM of 8 and 12. So first we have to find out the prime factors of 8 and 12. So 8, when we will divide 8 by 2, we will get 4. When we will divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. Here we have to take divisor as a prime number, and whenever we have not got a prime number at the end, till we have to divide. Again 12 divided by 2 will get 6. When 6 divided by 2 will get 3. Here 3 as a prime number, so we can divide again. So 8 we can be write 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Then 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3. So LCM will be, which are common of both number, we have to write once time. So 2 is common both number, we have to 2 once time. Again 2 is the common of both number, we have to write once time. Again here 1 2 and 1 3 left. Again both 2 and 3 we have to multiply. So LCM will be 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 3, 24. So which are common of both, which prime number are common of both number, we have to multiply once time, and which are left, and we have to multiply. So 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Then we'll know how to find LCM of three number by using prime factorization method. So 6, 8 and 12, we have to find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So first we have to find out the prime factor of 6, 8 and 12. So 6 divided by 2 will get 3. Then we will take 8. 8 divided by 2 will get 4. Again we will divide 4 divided by 2 will get 2. 2 is a prime number. And again 12 divided by 2 will get 6. Again 6 divided by 2 will get 3. At last 3 is a prime number, so we can divide. So 6 we can write 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 8 is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 2, and 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3. So here LCM will be, which are common of all number, we have to write once time. So 2 is the common of all three numbers, so we have to write once time. Again here 2 is common of two numbers, so again we have to write once time. And which are not common, and 3 also common of two numbers, so we have to write one time and only one left 2. So LCM will be 2 into 2 4, 3 12 into 24. So which are common we have to write once multiply once time, and which are not we have to direct multiply. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. So in this way we can find out the LCM of two or more given number by using prime factorization method. Now we will know how to find LCM of two given number by using common division method. For that I have taken two numbers 8 and 12. So we will know how to find 8, 12, right? And then we will take as a prime number as a divisor, which is the divisible of 8 and 12. So we will take 2. 8 divided by 2 will get 4. 12 divided by 2 will get 6. Again, we will take as prime number as divisor, and which is the divisible of 4 and 6. We will take 2. 4 divided by 2 will get 2. 6 divided by 2 will get 3. Here 1 is the common factor of 2 and 3, so we can divide. So LCM of 8 and 12 will be multiple of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. Now we know how to find the LCM of three numbers. Suppose three numbers are 6, 8 and 24. Sorry, 8, 6, 8 and 12. Now we know 6, 8, 12. We take as divisor as a prime number, which is divisible of two number. Also we can write. So we can take 2. 6 divided by 2 will get 3. 8 divided by 2 will get 4. 12 divided by 2 will get 6. Again, we will take as a divisor as prime number 2. 3 divided by 3 can divided by 2. So bring down 3. 4 divided by 2 will get 2. 6 divided by 2 will get 3. Again, we will take as a prime number 3. 3 divided by 3 1. So it can be divided. So bring down 2 and then 3 divided by 3 1. Now LCM will be 6, 8 and 12 will be product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. In this way, we can find the LCM of two or more given number by using common division method. If you like my video lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.